Spindle speed is a critical service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the rotation of a spindle at a specific speed to perform various machining operations. The spindle is a rotating component that holds the cutting tool and rotates it at a specific speed to cut, drill, or shape the workpiece. The spindle speed is a crucial factor that determines the quality and accuracy of the machining process. The spindle speed is determined by the type of material being machined, the size of the cutting tool, and the desired finish of the workpiece. In the manufacturing industry, spindle speed is used in various applications, including milling, drilling, and turning. In milling, the spindle speed is used to rotate the cutting tool at a specific speed to remove material from the workpiece. In drilling, the spindle speed is used to rotate the drill bit at a specific speed to create holes in the workpiece. In turning, the spindle speed is used to rotate the workpiece at a specific speed to shape it into the desired form. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality industrial equipment. The company offers a wide range of services, including spindle speed, to help clients achieve their manufacturing goals. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest manufacturing technologies and techniques. The company uses state-of-the-art equipment and tools to provide clients with the best possible service. If you are interested in learning more about spindle speed and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting the Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. With their years of experience and commitment to quality, you can trust Berkness Company to provide you with the best possible service. FAQs. 1. What is spindle speed in manufacturing? Spindle speed refers to the rotational speed of the spindle, which is a component of a machine tool used in manufacturing. It is the speed at which the cutting tool or workpiece rotates during machining operations. 2. Why is spindle speed important in manufacturing? Spindle speed is important in manufacturing because it affects the quality and efficiency of the machining process. The right spindle speed can help achieve the desired surface finish, reduce tool wear, and increase productivity. It is also important to ensure that the spindle speed is within the safe operating range of the machine tool. 3. How is spindle speed determined in manufacturing? Spindle speed is determined based on several factors, including the material being machined, the type of cutting tool being used, and the desired surface finish. It can be calculated using formulas or determined through experimentation. Machine tool manufacturers often provide recommended spindle speeds for different materials and cutting tools. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.